Imagine being a Chennai Super Kings fan and seeing this beast walk in. You know the game was just about to change. Kyron Pollard, Mumbai Indians' ultimate weapon, has destroyed Chennai Super Kings time and again. From insane run chases to clutch performances in the IPL finals, Kyron Pollard turned MI vs CSK into his personal playground. This man stood tall between CSK and the wins with his brute force. Ever since his retirement, Mumbai struggled to secure a win versus their El Clasico rivals. But what made him so dangerous? And why did even Dhoni's captaincy magic failed against him? Let's find out in this episode of The Classics. Let's start with some numbers. Pollard has smashed over 500 runs against Chennai Super Kings at a mind-blowing strike rate of 160 plus. Every time MI faced Chennai Super Kings, he was the ultimate game changer. And guess what? He didn't just score runs, he finished matches in the most brutal way possible. Let's rewind to IPL 2021, one of the greatest ever IPL chases. That was just ridiculous. CSK set a target of 219 runs. MI were 84 for 3 in 10 overs. Game over, right? Wrong. Pollard went absolutely crazy. 87 of 34 balls, 6 fours, 8 sixes, and MI chased down the then highest total in IPL history. Last ball thriller, CSK stunned, and Paltan goes wild. But this wasn't the first time when Pollard destroyed CSK. Let's take you back to the IPL 2013 final. Pollard wasn't just a league stage monster, he haunted CSK in IPL finals as well. 2013 final, 60 of 32, the first ever IPL trophy for Mumbai Indians. And then the 2019 final, the most intense final ever. A low scoring thriller, MI needed someone to step up, and guess what? Pollard did it again, 41 of 25, and MI won by just one run. Just imagine the heartbreak for CSK fans. So many legendary bowlers, Chahar, Jadeja, Bravo, but versus Pollard, nothing really worked. Gosh, I'm really tired and need some coffee now. And if you thought Pollard was just a batter, maybe think again. He took crucial wickets, broke partnerships, and pulled off insane catches. That 2019 boundary line juggling catch of Suresh Raina, CSK fans still have nightmares about it. CSK fans feared him, MI fans worshipped him, and even MS Dhoni knew, if Pollard is there, it's game over. Now here is the real question. With Pollard retired from IPL, will MI be able to find any other CSK slayer like him? Or Chennai are finally free from their worst nightmare? What are your thoughts? Do let us know in the comments below. And if you like this video, then hit that subscribe button.